This is how you change your iPhone colors back to normal. There might be a time when you turn your iPhone on and you feel like the colors just aren't what they used to be, or they're just off a little bit. Like in this case, they're all grayscale, and you're pretty sure they weren't grayscale before. So maybe somebody else changed it, maybe you did. Either way, the fix is pretty simple. Just hop into settings, scroll down until you see accessibility, open that, then open display and text size, then scroll down until you see color filters. Here, we can adjust all kinds of colors. Currently, it's set to grayscale, which makes sense because everything's gray. But your color filter might also be set to the red-green filter. And if you watch up here, you can see as the colors change as I choose these different options. Sometimes it's quite subtle, but the change is definitely there. If you want to turn off color filters, just turn it off right there, and they go back to the default settings for your iPhone. You might also have a situation where all the colors are inverted. So maybe this is turned on. You can turn that off. Or you have classic invert. This is how that looks. It looks kind of neat, but it might not be how you want it. So turn that off. There are various settings in here that might affect the color. Just turn them on and off to see if the colors go back to normal. If you have value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash on your iPhone. You've probably never done it before, and you need to do it.